What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today's gonna be a little bit different. I'm not gonna be talking about cars, but I'm actually gonna be talking about my YouTube and why I'm still demonetized. Now really, I shouldn't have been demonetized in the first place because I had 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last year. I had both of those on February 19th. So I did think it was kind of weird that I was demonetized in the first place, but since I cut it so close, I was like, okay, you know what, I'll go ahead and apply back into the partnership program. Well, at the time, whenever I submitted my application to get back into the partnership program, the time frame was gonna be, before they were hoping to get through all the applications before the end of February, which to me was a good timeline because that gave them about 2 weeks to go through all of the applications. And one thing is that I applied for partnership on February 20th, so it wasn't like I waited 2 weeks or anything like that. On February 20th, I applied for repartnership. Well, March rolls around and I'm still demonetized, which really isn't a big deal because most of my money doesn't come from YouTube. But I still do make a little bit of money through YouTube, which at the time when I got demonetized, I was making about $100 a month, which now I could probably be making anywhere from about $120 to $150 a month, which again isn't most of my money, but still that's $150 a month. So since YouTube didn't review all of the accounts before the end of February, they changed the wording from February to the end of March. Then when they couldn't review all the accounts by the end of March, they pushed it to the end of April. And now they're kind of skipping over May, and they're saying that they hope to review everyone's applications by the end of June. But the thing with that is that the end of June is nearly 2 months away. I mean, we're only on the 7th of May. So I could possibly be out another $200 to $300 on top of possibly the $400 to $450 that I've already missed out on. And I know, woe is me, first world problems, and this really isn't a big issue. It's just, I know that a lot of people are out there wondering, when their channel will be accepted, and I'm just letting y'all know that, I'm more than 3 times the required watch time for, the 4,000 watch hours in the last year, and I'm already at like 1,200 subscribers. So I'm just letting y'all know how long it's taken me to be reviewed. So I'm coming up on 3 months I've been demonetized, when really I shouldn't have been demonetized in the first place. But if you have a similar story, or if you've been accepted within this time frame, let me know down in the comments what you did to be accepted, or how long you've been in the review process. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, please subscribe, and as always, have a great day.